is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my channel. I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And welcome back to the vlog. Today is Tuesday, May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Oh no, that's a Wednesday. Tuesday, May 3rd. I'm a little early. But anyways, it is Tuesday today. So usually that means I have the morning off, but I actually have a class in a half hour, I think. What time is it? I have a ballet class in about a half hour, so I'm gonna have breakfast. And I'm teaching the class, so I'm just gonna throw on some clothes and get ready for that. And then later on today, I have to go into town for a makeup class at the studio I teach at. And I'll probably be back around 6-ish. And then I have some classes from 7 until 9 today, so it's a pretty long, spread out, awkward day. Nonetheless, we're gonna get lots done today. I already did 3 loads of laundry last night. I had class last night until like 9. I was gonna wake up early this morning, but then my alarm went off at 7. I was like, I got home at like 11 last night from dance. To get up that early, I'm gonna try to get up earlier so I can take Elsa for early in the morning and get that done, because I like to get that done in the morning, so then it leaves me to do like housework in the day or finish up on my blogs, editing, because I have to take her every day, obviously. I like to get that done in the morning when I have nothing really on my agenda first thing, like just whip it out in the morning. I'm gonna have breakfast, answer a couple emails, and then get ready for ballet class.
After aggressively cuddling with Luna Baguna, I go and wash my face, and you guys know my skincare routine is so important to me. It's where I cathart, as me and Steven put it, because that word is so funny to me. It's very cathartic to me to take time in the morning to do my skincare, go through all of my skin prep before I do my makeup. I always use SPF even if I don't plan on leaving the house, because you never know. I even wear it in the winter, I'm not gonna lie. And the SPF moisturizer from Lancome is the only one I find that doesn't smell absolutely terrible. That one and the Marcel one actually moisturizes my skin as well. I find with some moisturizers that have SPF, they kind of dry out my skin a bit. But anyway.
Okay, so I have a class in like 5 minutes. This is the outfit of the day so far. We actually ended up starting early now, so I'm a little bit in a rush because I start in literally 5 minutes. But I'm wearing this top from Halara, these Adidas pants that you guys know, and then obviously ballet slippers. And I'm gonna throw on a ballet skirt, a little wrap skirt, put my hair up, and do my class in here today. So it's the full outfit. And then I'll catch you guys after. So let's start in first position for our pliés. We'll go 5 and stretch demi-arm in first, and stretch demi-arm in 5th, and stretch allongé, follow the fingers, grand plie. 2, coming up 3, and 4, we have forward bend, and up, releve, lower tendu 2nd, and 2, double 3, close 5th, plie fondu, to the front, plie, open side, close 5th. Let's do a frappe. We'll go 5, frappe side, double front, double side, double back, double side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, frappe, lift up, tendu, close 5th, tendu back, arabesque, and stay. Okay, just finished my first class. I have another one at 12, but I'm gonna prepare for the one at 12 because then I have one at 1 to 1:30 with flex space, and then I have a little bit of a break before I have to go into town, teach in person. So I think right now I'm just going to prepare my classes like you guys have seen before. You guys just saw some clips of me teaching my class. I was really shy to film it, but I was like, you know what? You guys never see me like in action in dance class. I'm just like, okay, I finished. So I figured I would show you guys a little bit. Sneak peek to classes with Jazz. Ooh, classes with Jazz. Ballet with Miss Jasmine. Okay, gotta go.
So I obviously need the snack to fuel me through my classes because I couldn't have lunch until 2 o'clock. That's when my next class is finished. This is me trying the ending pose for this class. Enjoy.
Oh my goodness, guys. I just had 2 classes in a row, right? Totally normal. I wish I was recording that class because I kept knocking over plant onto my face like I was doing swimmers. Like that. It just kept falling on me. I think the plant's getting too big for the pot. Oh my goodness, the number of times it fell straight on me. I wish I'd recorded it. It would have been so funny, but I'm gonna go have lunch because I'm starving, and then I have to drive into town for classes later this evening. I start at 4:45, so I'm gonna leave here on like 3:45, so I'll hit traffic for sure, and I know it's raining. So I'm gonna go have lunch, and I look like a hot mess too. So I'll see you guys soon.
After that whole fiasco, I was starving, so I cuddled with both of my pets, and then I went and made lunch, which was these veggie patties and this dose juice that has protein in it. I actually made a wrap made of sauteed veggies, some mushrooms, some peppers, and some balsamic vinaigrette that my mom gave me from Farm Boy, and it turned out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I have not used that pan that I got from Winners since I got it because I'm too afraid of the black stuff that comes off. Guys, comment down below if that's normal. I read on the internet that's normal, and that's just the dye, and it's also just like the oxidization process. Regardless, I still used our old huge pan. Now, it was the Met Gala the night previously, but I did miss it because I was at dance classes teaching. And then after I watched Hot Lamode's fashion roast of the Met Gala, I ended up cleaning up the whole kitchen, putting all the dirty and clean dishes away, or rather cleaning the dirty dishes, putting the food away, and putting the clean dishes away. I let that soak, then I had another coffee, of course, and I guess I tried some improv. I don't know, I found some good music on Spotify, and I was like, I need to move to this, create, be a little bit spontaneous, and enjoy random improv.
Not here, so it's just a girl.
I did have to go into town this evening for some makeup classes, so I headed out. It was raining a bunch, and then I had Starbucks when I got back, obviously, because Starbucks is the holy grail. They were out of matcha, so I had to get a chai tea latte, which was good too.
I got the chai latte. Apparently, it's a citywide shortage of the matcha, which is totally fine because I love the chai tea latte. It's perfect weather for this too because it's raining a whole bunch. I'm gonna go home, and then I have a private from 7 until 8 and from 8 until 9, so I'm finished pretty late tonight. But look at the view too as I'm enjoying my Starbucks. So I'm just gonna sit here enjoying my Starbucks and then head out. Long drive back home. It's like 40 minutes home from the city, so I'm gonna go home now, shower because my hair needs it. This is so good. I'll see you guys later.
I got home a little bit earlier than I actually needed to for my classes, so I had a little bit of time before my classes in which I used for my own ballet practice. I've mentioned a lot before on my past vlogs that I have some specific goals when it comes to my own personal growth in dancing, ballet, and teaching, and I've shared them with you before, and I've added another. Now, before it was doing a variation, it was also strengthening my point work, and my next goal is to be able to do fouette turns again. I was watching Swan Lake the other night, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to be able to do fouettes, oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm mixing up my words. Swan Lake fouettes, like the one that Odile does at the very end of Act 3. She does 32 fouettes in a row. I want to be able to do that again because I used to be able to, and I definitely can't anymore. I don't know if I could ever do it in pointe shoes because I never had to. Actually, this one time I had to. It was during an audition. It was awful, but I managed to do it. I don't know. It was the adrenaline or something. So I'm working towards that, really strengthening my legs for that because it requires a lot of glute strength, thigh strength, hip strength, and core strength. Then I had some dinner after all my classes. I finished at 9:30 at night, and then it was the next day already. I literally just rolled out of bed. I got my caffeine fix. I am out of Nespresso, but I'm too lazy to go on the website and purchase more. Plus, I'm also trying to save money, and we have a ton of Keurig ones we had to go through. Then I did a little bit of a workout this morning. It actually got cut short because I had to answer some questions from Census Canada, and that took like 20 minutes. So I ended up only running on the treadmill for like 5 minutes before they called. I literally just did like a little sprint and that was it. And I did this strengthening for like 10 minutes before my treadmill workout because I knew I would have a really heavy day of strengthening exercises in my classes. So I didn't want to push my body to its absolute limits today. And then I stretched in the morning and did a lot of things that I don't really do in my days when I'm teaching ballet. Obviously I stretch and do straddle and stuff like that, but I try to do other things like push-ups like you saw in the B-roll earlier before. Another goal I have is to run a half marathon of some sort, even if it's not signed up, like one in person. I want to do one myself, just as a personal goal. I had this apple cider shot as well as the Bright Side protein smoothie once again, and I'm on a bagel kick, guys. You cannot get me off of my bagel high horse. I love bagels. They are my favorite thing ever.
I did a very quick makeup job because I have a class right now happening, but this is my outfit. I just put on my ballet shoes, this Halara skirt, because obviously I don't want to lift my leg and have a situation. I had the same sports bra. I didn't have time to shower because I got a call from the government, complete a census report, and I almost missed class. And yeah, I'm gonna go to my class. This is like the setup. That's how it looks. Like this.
Elsa! Elsa! Wow!
Okay, just finished some of my classes. Gonna go for a walk with Elsa. It's gorgeous outside, and then I have to be back in 30 minutes for another class. Okay guys, that was crazy. So first of all, I have to tell you what happened when I took Elsa for a run. And these clips I'll put here. I took her out for a run because she's a black lab and she needs a lot of exercise as a Labrador retriever. So I took her out for like a 30-minute run, just throwing the frisbee and the boomer back and forth, chasing it. She got so tired, first of all. She ran around the front of the house and just laid there on the ground. Like just laid there. Didn't even try to play. She was just like, I'm done. Just looked at me like, I'm done. Walked to the door and was like, I'm literally done. And I was like, fine, okay, let's go inside then. Guys, when I tell you, you could not prepare me for what was about to happen. She had stepped in something. I don't know what it was, and I'm really hoping it's not what I think it was, but it was brown. We have a white floor in our kitchen. I'll put the videos on the side. It was so dirty, and then because she was so thirsty from running, when she was slurping up the water was spraying everywhere. Oh my goodness, the amount of mess that it made. So what I had to do was roll up the carpet in the living room, put it to the side, block off her from the living room so she doesn't go on the couch with possibly doo-doo on her paws on the couch. I blocked it off with a pair of chairs, and I was gonna hose her down, but then I ended up taking her down to the beach where we live. She's much cleaner now, hopefully. I don't know. I'm hoping when I go downstairs, the white carpet or the rug isn't doo-doo covered. Even so, it was worth it. She had fun. Debating getting dinner out, but like I'm also trying to save money, but I also really want sushi. But I'm going out this weekend, so I'll save my money. But there's Starbucks. I'll save my money. But yeah, I have a 30-minute class right now, and then I go to the studio for 45 minutes, and then I'm back here tonight. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here because I'm probably not gonna do anything interesting tonight except for edit. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was kind of all over the place, but again, it's my realistic every weekday routine. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now. Happy dancing.